Hello and welcome to the economics classes. I am Dharmendra Singh. I am going to teach you elasticity of importance of price, elasticity of demand. Elasticity of demand. I am going to tell about importance of elasticity of demand. Okay. Please see the first number, determination of price. Okay. What is determination of price? Producer wants to fix the price in particular market. How he will fix the price? If suppose any product its elasticity is too high, then what will producer do? If elasticity is too high, okay, then he will little change in price. Okay, and if elasticity is too low, then he will change the more price. Okay, if EP is greater than 1, more elasticity, if EP is greater than 1, okay, if EP is greater than 1, okay, if EP is greater than 1, then in price he will little change. Okay, if EP is greater than 1, then more elasticity in price, then in price he will little change. Okay, EP is greater than 1 means what? Luxury goods, TV, LED TV, Dove sabun, etc. If price will little decrease, then more elasticity. Consumer will purchase more and more commodities. Okay, LED TV, fridge, etc. Okay, these are AC. These are luxury goods. Okay, little change in price, customer will purchase more and more quantities. Okay, EP is greater than 1. Means more elasticity. In more elasticity, price will little change. Okay. If EP is less than 1, then producer will change in price, more change in price. It means what? If EP is less than 1, means inelastic, then producer will change. Producer will more change in price. Because its elasticity is too low. EP is less than 1. EP is less than 1 means inelastic. Okay. It means what? Price increase or decrease. Price increase or decrease. No more effect. No more effect on consumer. Okay, it means what? EP is less than 1. No more effect on consumer. Consumer will purchase not more quantities. Okay, that's why producer will change more price. Okay. First point is determination of price. How will producer will determine the price? Okay, in this topic he will know it. Price discrimination means what? Okay, suppose there are many states in our country and all states price are different of same product. Okay, then how he will determine the price? How will he discriminate? How he will fix the price? According to elasticity of demand. If any area there is more elasticity, if any area more elasticity, then he will little change in price. If in any area less elasticity, then he will change more in price. Okay, this is called price discrimination. Price discrimination means same product sold in different city, all prices are changed in all cities. Accordingly, fix the price. Okay? Accordingly, fix the price. So this is called price discrimination. Next, shifting of tax burden. Shifting of tax burden. Suppose any product. Okay. Any product is then suppose there is a product, okay, and who will pay the tax? Consumer or producer? Who will pay the more tax? Consumer or producer? Okay. According to situation, if elasticity of price, if the product of elasticity is too high, then this burden will be taken by consumer, because there is a little change in price and more change in demand. Okay, consumer will purchase more and more quantities from the market. Then on that situation, producer will take more burden of tax, and consumer will take not more burden. If EP is greater than 1, on that situation, producer will take burden of tax. If EP is less than 1, okay, then consumer will take the burden of tax. So who will take the burden of tax? Consumer or producer? So according to elasticity, consumer or producer will take the burden of tax. Okay. Next point, taxation policy. Taxation policy. This type of taxation policy is asked here. Same situation. If taxation policy is given, government will see which type of product is that. Government will decide if elasticity is too high, if EP is greater than 1, okay, it means what? More elasticity. Then government will fix the less tax. Okay, if elasticity is too high, if elasticity is too low, then government will fix less tax. It means government will charge very less tax if product is inelastic. If product is elastic, then government will charge less tax. Try to understand again. If product is elastic, EP is greater than 1. If product is elastic, then government will not charge more tax. Okay. If product is inelastic, then government will charge more tax according to situation. Okay. This is taxation policy. It means if elasticity is more, it means what? If elasticity is more, okay, then very little tax will be charged by the government. Okay. If elasticity is very less, the government will charge more tax. Okay. According to elasticity. Okay. Taxation policy. Already I have discussed taxation policy. Elasticity is more means less tax. Elasticity is low, then more tax. Okay. Elasticity is more, then less tax, and elasticity is, if product is inelastic, then more tax. Next, output decision. Next and last topic is output decision. If any product price is more elastic, EP is greater than 1. Okay, if EP is greater than 1, EP is greater than 1, then it is what? More elastic. Okay, then producer will fix the very low price. Okay, if EP is greater than 1, then producer will minimize the price. If he will minimize the price, then quantity will increase. If he will decrease the price, then quantity will increase. Okay, in the case of EP is greater than 1. Here it means more elasticity. It means what? More income. I can sell much of one product. I can sell much of one product and much of the profit. Okay, I can sell much of one product, any one product, and I will earn more and more profit from the market. Okay, so I have discussed determination of price, price discrimination, shifting of tax burden, taxation policy and output decision. यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो हमारे इस चैनल को आप सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें और उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि मेरा मेहनत सफल हो सके. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.